Hello, and thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be working on an Afro-Caribbean pen holder. For the first step in making this craft, I'll be using a cardboard plant holder that I got from Hobby Lobby, brown acrylic paint, and a sponge brush. And it took me 3 coats of the brown paint to go around the cardboard plant holder. So I let it dry maybe 10 minutes in between each session, but it took around 3 times to get it to be a nice smooth brown. Here I'm cutting the wax print fabric. I end up using less than 1/3 of the wax print fabric, and I ended up attaching 2 pieces of fabric together to create one continuous piece. I wanted a longer piece of fabric so that way I could end up tying it in a bow, because I wanted a fuller butterfly looking bow for the top of my craft. But again, you can use any style of fabric, and of course you can make the shape of your bow any size you wish, or you can tie it up in a cute knot. But I wanted a fluffy butterfly looking bow for the top of my craft. Now that I have the bow in the shape that I want, I'm going to start working on the face. I bought some stickers from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to be using those to make a face on the cardboard flower pot. So next I'm using some floral styrofoam that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be cutting it to fit the inside of the pot. And this is going to be used to adhere the pins that I'm going to be able to insert inside of the flower pot. Next, I'm going to be making the fruit pins. For this, I will be using fruit that I got from Joann's Fabrics, floral tape, floral stem wire, and E6000 quick glue. When making the fruit pins, I'm going to take the floral stem wire, I'm going to stick it through the faux fruit, and then I'm going to take one of the pins that I bought from the Dollar Tree, as well as the E6000 quick glue, and I'm going to stick the back of the pin to the fruit and attach it to the wire. And then I'm going to follow up by encoding the whole thing into the floral tape, wrapping the pin in the floral tape twice, so that way it sticks to itself. Then I will be able to insert them into the green foam that's already inside of the cardboard flower pot. Next, I'm going to add a little bling to my DIY craft. So I found some nice cheapy earrings, some in the color yellow. So I'm going to be adding them to the side of the flower pot. So off camera, I end up using my hot glue gun in order to attach the earrings to the side of the box, so that way I can have her have some nice blinky yellow earrings to match the wax print fabric. And here we have the finished product. Thank you for watching.